Hello, I'm teacher Frey. It has been a while and I miss my students so much. So for some of you, this might be the first time you see me talking without mask. Yes, I'm your teacher Frey. Alright, okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you and also we are going to continue what we have learned in the class, which is the hair and fur painting, okay? So I will show you a few simple techniques that will instantly transform your drawing and make it much more better and also much more lively, okay? So now I'm going to show you some simple technique how to draw hair and fur. So you can see, start with this. So this is kind of like a straight line. Okay, we can draw like different straight line. You can draw this line, you can draw this line, okay? And then what are we going to do is how do we make this line, all this line softer? So this line is look like a stick. And then now I want to make it soft. So how do I going to do that is I'm just create something like this curvy line. Okay, so this line looks a little hard, okay? And then this is soft. So when we talk about hair, when we talk about fur, and we feel soft, so we are going to turn this straight line into the curvy line, okay? And then let's look at the example here. So when we draw the hair, let's take this example. Let's see, this is the face. Okay, so and then this hair looks a little bit hard, okay, stiff. So now we are going to make this curvy hair like this. So now I'm going to turn this line into curvy line, okay? And then I'm going to turn this line make it like a curvy line like this. So you can have a more lively hair compared to this hair. So same for this. For the girl's hair, we can apply the same technique. Okay, so how are we going to transform this hair into a better hairstyle? So I'm going to turn this like this curvy line, and then the same thing. Put on the neck, line, and then here you can do the same thing, but at the bottom here you can add the curvy line, okay? So you can have a more softer hairstyle. And then from here I can make this hair looks much more better, okay? Let's draw again this line and this line, the neck. And then for this, how do we make the hair looks more natural? So you can put it this way, left side and then the right side, and then you can do the same thing, okay? Alright, so same thing for the hair, for the girl's hair. Alright, and then now we can make it, some hair goes to the left, some hairs go to the right, and then we can have this kind of a little bit more curvy line, and then some of the hair is going to the left, and then some is going to the right. Same thing, some go to the left, some go to the right, okay? So now this hair looks softer, okay, compared to the first hairstyle. Okay, so another things we need to try to avoid is doing this thing, like we tend to draw everything in the same size, same length, okay? Let's say this is for the hair and for the fur, and then we make it everything same size. So this is not something we are going to do, okay? And then we can try to do something different, okay? So this is like the same size, everything same size. We don't want this. And then you can actually do something different. Some is longer, some is shorter, okay? Okay, we have different size here. Okay. So don't forget the hair and the fur, they're very soft. So instead of this is going downwards, it can also going to the left, okay? some is longer, some is shorter. Alright, so we can have some going to the left, some going downwards, and then some is going to the right, okay? So we have different directions, different size, okay? So we have like this different directions, okay? And different size. Okay. So for this type of hair and fur, it looks soft and flexible, okay? It doesn't look like this. So this is very hard, very stiff, okay? Alright, so now I'm going to show you another example. So this ponytail looks nothing wrong, it's alright. And then actually we can make it much more better. So I'm going to draw another version for this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this line into like furry lines. So now we have learned how to draw hair and fur. In the next video, I will show you how to color them. I really hope these simple techniques are going to help you in your drawing. So well, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.